Yeah, hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this particular video, we will learn another productivity hacks in Microsoft Excel. So in this particular video, we will learn two very important and advanced level and very powerful function in Microsoft Excel, that is autofill and flash fill. Flash fill is newly launched and it is very powerful function. At the same time, autofill also powerful, though it is basic, but both the functions are very powerful, and these functions will help us to reduce our working time a lot. Okay, in our daily work, it's like a magic. Flash fill, it's like a magic, and autofill also super helpful. So I will show you how we can use autofill and flash fill so that we can reduce our working time. Okay, and we can deliver more our productivity. We can deliver more work in less time. It is very powerful function, and we will see how we can use it. So here I have taken one dummy data. Dummy sheet is there. Suppose first name is there, last name is there, state, address, city, state, employee ID, email ID, and all these things are available here. So now the first thing we will learn, what is autofill. Autofill, automatically the cell will be filled. Suppose here I am writing 1. Okay, so now after writing 1, so if I press it like this way, if I click it, see it is coming like this. All the field is coming like 1 1 1 only. So what I will do, I will teach a pattern to Microsoft Excel that this is not the pattern what I want. So what I want is 1 2 3 4 like this. So we can do it two ways. Now I will write 2. Now here I will select this 2 and then I will click. Now see how it is happening. 1 2 3 4 5 6, like how many rows are there, how many rows are there, how many cells are there. Let me control down arrow, so I will go extreme down. So see here it is 500. So till 500 it automatically it has filled the serial number. Okay, so now another way we can do it. See how, control Z, control Z. Now how we will do, control shift down arrow, delete, and now see I will delete this too. And now the second way is I will click this way. See all the details it has. Suppose all the cell it is coming 1 1 1 only. Control down arrow. Here one drop down, you can see one drop down is there, right? So I will click here. From here also I can do fill series. I can do fill series. So if I do fill series, it will also deliver the same kind of result, 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. Not only number, another thing also we can do, like suppose here I can do Sunday. Now see how it works. I will click it. Now see how it works. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like that way it will come. It will the entire cell it will be filled. See till Tuesday automatically. Control up arrow. So here not only Sunday, Monday, Jan, Feb also for month, Jan or January we can write anything. So now I will double click it. So see Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, like this. So if I write the full thing, the full month name will also come. If I write quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, so automatically it will fill the entire all the cell, all the column, all the rows it will be filled. Okay, so the two ways we can do. After writing 1 or 2, after filling 1 or 2 cell, what we will do, we can double click, it will come automatically. Otherwise we can go down and there we will get one checkbox, or we will get one drop down. There also we can get the same kind of autofill option. Okay, so again one, I will show the drop down once again like this. Here is one drop down. Here we can see fill series. So there we can get the same kind of result we will get. So this is about autofill. How I think you have understood how we can use autofill option. We can reduce our working time. Now very advanced and very helpful and useful and powerful function is flash fill. How we can use flash fill, let's see. Suppose here I have taken username means, suppose I will take here is one email address, and from email address I want to get only before at the rate. I will take the entire thing. I don't need at the rate Gmail. This thing I don't want to. I don't want to get. I want to get it. So what I will do is I will copy it, or I can type also. So I will paste it here, and then I will reduce this thing. So I need only the username if the surname is there, or the any other numeric things are there. So this is the format I want. So I will teach the pattern to Microsoft Excel. That this is my pattern. This is how I want to get the data. Okay, this is the actually flash fill will follow the pattern and it will deliver the result. So I will explain. I will provide the pattern to Microsoft Excel that this is the pattern I want. So now see, in the two ways also I can do the thing. The number one is, there is one shortcut, that is Control E. See, this is the shortcut of flash fill. So what how I'm getting Jennifer this is the thing, the first all the things till at the rate, all the detailed information it has given for the same thing also. This is also same, this is also same, this is also same. See, another way we can do is, we'll delete it. We can go to home, then we can select the editing section, fill section, and there also flash fill option is there. So we can click flash fill, so it will do the same work for us. We can use the shortcut, we can go to the home section, and then also we can do it. This is how we can do it. Okay, so this is one of the example of flash fill. Another example I will show you how we can use flash fill. So here suppose employee ID is there. See, employee ID is there, AB620310. So what happens is, I don't want the AB two alphabets. I don't want. I need only the 6230, this thing. So what I will do is 620310. This is the format, this is the pattern I want. Sorry, I am writing in the wrong place. I need to write it in the first place. 620310. Delete. So this is the pattern I want. So Microsoft Excel will it will understand what I want. It will take the pattern from the left side and it will deliver the result. Okay, so now this is the pattern I want. I don't need AB, this code I don't want. I need this one, 620310. So now let's see how it works. Control E. Okay, see, it is actually a serial number type, the employee code, employee ID. So it has given the same thing, 311, 312, 314, like this. It has given me all the details like this, except AB I don't want. That's why it did not, because I have taught the pattern that this is the pattern I want to get. Okay, so accordingly it has given me the details. Again, one more example I will take. Suppose here is the date of birth. Okay, so date of birth, the entire date of birth I don't want. I want only the year, or only the month, or only the date. Okay, so what I will do is, I will write only the year. So 1999. So press enter. Now what I can do is, one more way we can do, I will double click it. See, all the cell it has taken 1999 only. Okay, so this is not how we want. What I will do is, I will control down arrow. There one drop down is there, right? So here I will click. Here also flash fill option. So I will click flash fill. See, it will work like this: 1999, 1978, 1957, 1997, 1967, like this. So I think you have got the idea how you can use flash fill option, how you can use the autofill option. Flash fill option, very powerful option. There are another ways also. We can segregate, we can join, all those things we can do, but flash fill is one of the powerful and very powerful function we can use we will explain, we will teach the pattern that this is the pattern I want, you deliver the content like that, following that pattern only, so it will deliver the same result. Okay, so I think you have got the idea how we can use the autofill option and how we can use the flash fill option. Do use it, very powerful, very handy, very useful function it is. It will reduce our working time and we can deliver a lot of work in less time. This is super powerful function. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will learn in the next video we will learn another productivity hacks. So keep learning and let me know if you want to know anything more, then I will create a video on that subject only. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.